If ejaculate made a sound when it came out, what sound would be the worst? Goofus Hayek. He said the worst, not the best. The bomb has been planted. Better get to the pharmacy quick for a defusal kit. Don't be a loser. Buy a diffuser. Buy blast-proof condoms from a pharmacy near you starting at $6. Pharmacy Co. does not take any responsibility for issues with contraception or injuries. Prices may vary. The sound of millions of voices crying out in terror and then suddenly silenced. Not just the nut, but the one and the children at too. A sad trombone. That's the best one. The 188 decibel click of a blue whale. That's oddly specific. That sound when Shaggy and Scooby get scared and try to run, but their feet just spin before they start running without touching the ground. Edit, link, b/5fjqrpbw. Does anyone know the Farley work that went into making this sound? Is it just drums of some sort? Wilhelm scream. RAAHH. The sound of a child laughing. A few of my ejaculations have made that sound. Not immediately. Took about a year. Hol up. The Windows 98 startup sound. I think the sound when you close a window. The scene-filled theme. Just the popping and clicking sounds part of it. Matthew McConaughey saying alright. You missed an alright. Star Wars blaster sounds. They said worst, not best. Oh damn, I didn't read the sentence right. Your mother saying in a disappointed voice. I tried my best with you, son. Do you really want to hear that twice in a row though? And you failed, mom. That sound when you blow a balloon up and let the air out slowly by pulling the balloon mouth tight. Honking. Imagine being cream-feed and then realizing it's a ducking clown. This reminds me of that one tweet or whatever where someone was wondering, is it real clowns or do people dress up as clowns? Apostrophe. Wet fart. Isn't that how it always sounds? In trouble. You are. Death sound of Pac-Man. I can whistle that sound perfectly and it's fun to just randomly do. Jiggity. A loud puking sound. A cat puking. The scream of a dial-up modem. Urkels, did I do that? The sound of squeezing an almost empty bottle of ketchup on a plate. Batman grappling gun. Ray Romano. The sound the ghasts make in Minecraft. Imagine if your dick moaned like an anime schoolgirl. Why does this comment exist? Why do I have eyes to read this? Why did you have fingers to type this? Hey, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.